for the Camaro fans. Nice looking car, 1978 Chevrolet Camaro. Listen to this, 383 stroker underneath the hood now. That was rebuilt in 2023. Approximately 450 horse, 465 pound-feet of torque, and there are dyno sheets on it. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. Power steering, AC, Willwood disc brakes up front. Take a look at this front fascia. So silver metallic, and then these stripes, they are painted. It's kind of a black metallic. Look at this cowl hood. It's kind of got that resto mod look to it. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, the interior, the engine bay, trunk. All the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. There you can see those Willwood disc brakes behind the Rocket Racing wheels. Those are a drilled and slotted rotor. BF Goodrich radials. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see the paint in this one shows nicely. It's a nice shine to it. Not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. This one will turn some head spokes. Really set off with a red interior, bucket seats, center console. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, take a little closer look at the interior. We'll also pop the hood so you can see underneath that. At the very end of the video, Jason's going to take this thing for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. And as you would imagine, it has a nice sound to it. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. So you get a good look at the rear of the car and that wing on the back of it. And again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Over 100 pictures of this car online. One of the things the technician did note, it will need rear shocks in the near future. Sounds like they'd leak some. Does have new spark plugs in it though. Runs on 90 plus octane, non-oxy fuels, what they've been running in it. Does have a new AC compressor and hoses too, by the way. There's a whole bundle of miscellaneous receipts. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you like Camaros in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. As you can see up and down this driver's side, also shows well, not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Let's check out this interior a little bit better. So tilt column. Door panels look good. You will be able to see the carpeting underneath the floor mats. Sorry if I sound a little stuffed up. I'm just getting over a cold. You can see the red vinyl in the seats. Looks good. Free of rips, tears, and holes. Shoulder belts intact. All right, let's get to the good stuff. Start this thing up so you can hear it. Again, 383 stroker, rebuilt in 2023. There are dyno sheets on it. Just shy of 450 horse. I believe it was like 443. And it is responsive. Dash looks good. There is an aftermarket retro sound style radio. Has been added, and I did have that working.
Cato Hills, KATO-FM, New Ulm, Mankato.
There you go, give you a little idea of how stereo sounds. This thing has to get up and move. Camaros aren't usually on the top of my favorite car list, but I tell you what, I like this thing. All right, let me pause this a second. I'm gonna pop this hood and let's check out this engine bay. All right, so cowl induction hood. HEI ignition, Hedman headers, Edelbrock intake manifold. Looks like a RPM. Nice polished one. Edelbrock 4-barrel on there. Wow. Like I said, this one will turn some heads. Be a fun car for your local shows. 1978 Chevrolet Camaro, done upright. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a very nice 1978 Chevrolet Camaro with a cowl induction hood and a lot more power than they came with from the factory, I'll tell you. This is an automatic right here on the center console, so it's super easy to drive. Sounds great. Excellent throttle response. Turn signal indicators are working. Fuel gauge is showing a little over half tank. Speedometer working. The rest would be warning lights. We have a retro sound style radio in the dash. That is working. Excellent. Almost like a blood red color inside this car. That's my opinion. Red seats, red carpet, headliner doors, dash with black trim, looking really good. It's not an overpowering red, it's a nice, a little bit darker red. Goes excellent with the silver and black. Nice thicker steering wheel with a little bit of finger grips on the back. I'd call that an upgrade from the factory wheel. Comfortable bucket seats in this Camaro. Another one I just want to keep playing with the throttle on to hear that. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this 78 Camaro at UniqueClassicCars.com.